Did you know that heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide? It's a scary statistic, but today we're flipping the script. Let's explore how you can fight back with heart-healthy foods that not only taste amazing, but also help keep your heart strong. Today, we're diving into the best heart-healthy foods that can help keep your heart strong and improve your overall health. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Now, let's talk about the problem. Many people struggle with maintaining a healthy heart due to poor diet and lifestyle choices. It's all too easy to grab that quick, processed snack instead of something wholesome. But those choices can lead to serious health issues like high blood pressure, cholesterol, and even heart attacks. It's a tough cycle, but understanding the impact of what we eat is the first step to making a change. So, what can we do? Let's explore some specific foods that are beneficial for heart health. First up, we have fruits and vegetables. These are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure. Think berries, oranges, spinach, and broccoli, all delicious and super beneficial. Next, let's not forget about whole grains. Foods like oatmeal, brown rice, and quinoa are great sources of fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels. They keep you full longer too, so you're less tempted to snack on unhealthy options. And we can't overlook healthy fats. Foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil are amazing for your heart. They help to lower bad cholesterol while boosting the good stuff. Plus, they add a ton of flavor to your meals. Incorporating these foods into your diet doesn't have to be boring or difficult. You can mix and match, get creative with your meals, and make it fun. Here's the key moment to remember: small dietary changes can lead to significant heart health improvements. You don't have to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Start by swapping in some heart-healthy foods for your usual snacks or meals. For example, try swapping out that sugary cereal for oatmeal topped with fresh fruits. Or, replace your usual salad dressing with a drizzle of olive oil and balsamic vinegar. These little choices can add up over time and make a huge difference for your heart. In summary, incorporating these heart-healthy foods into your diet can make a huge difference in your heart's well-being. It's all about balance and making informed choices. Remember, healthy eating isn't a punishment, it can be delicious and satisfying too. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. And hey, we want to hear from you. Let us know in the comments what heart-healthy foods you love and how you plan to incorporate them into your meals. Thanks for watching, and here's to a stronger, healthier heart.